Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a classic Caesar salad. Let's begin with the heart of any great Caesar salad, the dressing. You will need 2 large egg yolks, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of anchovy paste for that authentic savory depth. Also, prepare 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Finally, have 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese ready. Now let's bring these flavors together. In a bowl, vigorously whisk the egg yolks, minced garlic, anchovy paste, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and Worcestershire sauce until well combined. The key to a creamy dressing is slowly drizzling in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking. This creates a beautiful emulsion. Once thick, stir in the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, then season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Next, we prepare the crunchy elements. For homemade croutons, cut 1 pound of day-old bread into 1-inch cubes. Toss them with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway until they are golden and crisp. Meanwhile, wash and thoroughly dry 2 heads of crisp romaine lettuce, then chop them into bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are completely dry for optimal dressing adherence. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious Caesar salad. Place the thoroughly dried, chopped romaine lettuce into a large mixing bowl. Drizzle a generous amount of your freshly made Caesar dressing over the greens, tossing gently with tongs until every leaf is lightly coated. Then, add your homemade crispy croutons and 1/2 cup of freshly shaved Parmesan cheese. Give it one final gentle toss and serve immediately to enjoy the perfect balance of crispness and creamy flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.